everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I would like to bring out another topic which is talking about the cost volume profit analysis. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Elvina Florencia from the third group. The subtopic that we are going to discuss for today is going to talk about the risk and uncertainty, the sensitivity analysis and CVP, the CVP analysis combined with the ABC, and then the last we are going to talk about the CVP analysis in just-in-time system. The first, risk and uncertainty. Usually, when we are doing equation in the exam, all the data like selling price, cost, all is given already, right? What we need to do next is only to put it inside the formula to get an answer. But in the real life, it's not that easy. Okay, in order to make such kind of decision, the company need to face so many risks, so many uncertainty. But there are methods that can help the company to decrease or even remove the risk. There are margin of safety and operating leverage methods. Margin of safety can be defined as the unit that is sold by the company above the break-even volume. Meanwhile, the operating leverage is the use of the fixed cost that can be used in order to increase the percentage of profit as an implication of the changes of sales. To count the operating leverage, usually the company can use the OL ratio, which is got from the contribution margin over the profit. The higher ratio of the DOL usually represents the better performance of the company. That's why the company always want to achieve the higher operating leverage ratio than before. How to achieve that goals? Usually, the company will start to change their system from the manual system become the computerized system. Because as you can see here, the computerized system will cut off a part of variable cost because the use of the machine, the use of the computer will cut off the direct labor cost, right? That's why the variable cost will become less. As you can see in the data here, the variable cost of the automatic system will be less than the manual system. Meanwhile, the fixed cost will become more than manual system because the use of the machine, like what I said just now. And then the next one, we are going to talk about the sensitivity analysis and BVL or CVP analysis. Sensitivity analysis is actually a what-if technique that is used to evaluate the implication of the changes assumption to the answer. What is the relationship between both of them? Well, CVP can be used to plan and making a decision by using the sensitivity analysis technique. The sensitivity analysis is easy to apply because the use of the PC and the spreadsheet widely making everything become easier. The manager only need to input some data like the selling price and the variable cost and the fixed cost, and then they can do the analysis better. And then the next one we are going to talk about the analysis, the sensitivity analysis, which can be trained the manager instinct to forecast how far the variable can affect the answer. And then we are going to talk about the CVP analysis and the ABC. Usually, in conventional CVP analysis, we can achieve the costs become two categories, fixed cost and variable costs. However, there are opinions that say if this kind of categorization is only making the problem become simple but not solve the problem at all. That's why they come out with another theory, which is ABC costing. ABC costing can be categorized the cost become so many categories based on the cost driver. But it doesn't mean that the ABC is better than the conventional CVP. Because actually CVP analysis can be more accurate in one condition. Okay, so the condition is if only the ABC system is combined with the CVP conventional system. Okay, so when they are modified, when they are combined each other, the ABC will actually can remove the disadvantages of the conventional system. But when we are modifying, the formula also become different. So as you can see here, the total cost usually if fixed cost plus variable cost, and here the total cost will become fixed cost plus another cost based on the cost driver. Meanwhile, the operating profit we got from the total revenue minus the total cost. What the difference is in the total cost, like what I said. And then the next one is the break-even. Usually the break-even is only the fixed cost over the price minus with VC per unit, right? But at here, the fixed cost plus with another cost based on the cost driver also. So I will give you an example to make it easier to compare about the conventional analysis and ABC combined with the CVP. So the first one, we are going to talk about the conventional approach. The conventional approach like the usual formula, and then we got the answer is 12,000 units. And then the next one, we are going to use the ABC approach. ABC approach also give you a same result, which is 12,000 units, but the formula is different. At here, the 20,000 which is from here, the EBIT plus with the fixed cost, but there are 20 million plus with 30 million which is got from the cost which is based from the cost driver. And then the last, we are going to talk about the CVP analysis in just-in-time system. Well, what you need to know is just-in-time system is actually a system where the company only start a production when there is an order. Okay, when the company start to use this JIT system, it means that the variable cost per unit will be decreased and the fixed cost will goes up. Actually, the application of JIT is a special case of the ABC. When we use the CVP analysis in just-in-time system, the total cost will become like this. As you can see in the slide, the total cost equals to fixed cost plus with the variable cost times with the sum of the unit plus with the machine cost times with the machine hours. Okay, so that's all for the presentation about the CVP, about the cost volume profit analysis. If you guys have any question, please ask in the comment section below. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. See you.